Yo guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to talk about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, up 1% today and printing our third green day in a row, as well as maintaining this double bottom that we made. Sorry about that. This double bottom we made last week in the high 330s. We have not came down and broken that double bottom. So far that is intact. So yeah, things are looking good, at least short term for Tesla. We did come up to that daily 9 EMA, that blue line, and got rejected at around 355-ish. But we did maintain the 350s as support. We stayed the whole day pretty much above 350, which is a great sign. So this is what I think about the stock moving forward. As long as we can continue this double bottom and hold essentially the high 340s to the low 350s as support, if we can continue that support, I can definitely see Nvidia breaking past that 9 EMA and coming to that 21 EMA in the mid 360s. Can definitely see that happening as long as we can hold this support. I was saying hold support in the high 330s last video, but now for me to see it true strength, I want to see that support hold in the high 340s / low 350s, which would be in this green zone. And of course, this green zone is a heavy resistance in the past. Now, ideally, we don't turn into resistance again. So we would like to keep the bottom of this green zone, which the bottom of the green zone is in the high 340s. We want to hold that as support. With that, I could see a move to that 21 EMA in the mid 360s. Now, what do the bears want to see, guys? The bears do want to see a daily close under this green zone. Basically just take away all the strength that we had, basically break under this double bottom. And if that does happen, guys, I could definitely see a move to the 320s. And if we do get that, I do expect a lot of buys to start stepping in, as that is another pretty heavy resistance area. So I would expect it to try to turn into support before we drop below it, if we drop below it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got for you guys short term. But on the bigger picture, guys, we do have this this resistance trend line right here. As you can see, I'm gonna make it a freaking line. So if we do want to get truly bullish on the stock, I would want to see that 21 EMA, which is lined up with this trend line in the mid 360s, to turn into support, hold that for a few days, and then we can come up to try to retest the second bigger trend line. But if we can start holding that 21 EMA as support, guys, we can get a nice run up to around 380. I could definitely see that happening. But of course, got to take it day by day, step by step. We have to, first of all, break past this daily 9 EMA, use that support, break past that 21 EMA, hold support there for a little bit, and then we can get that nice move out. But I do want to mention, if we do get this move up to 21 EMA, which as of right now, we are showing pretty nice strength, so not be surprised, we would have to assume that this is going to be resistance, guys. We do have to assume that we are going to make another lower low, as we are making lower lows and lower highs in this downtrend. So we do have to assume that. But if we do end up breaking past, that 21 EMA, holding above that 21 EMA in this trend line, then yeah, we can get a nice move up to 380. So overall, short term, as long as we can hold the 350-ish area, yeah, we get a nice move up to 365-ish, that 21 EMA. Holding there in 365 for a few days, and then we get a nice move up to 380. That's the bullish route. Bearish route, guys, if we do, close under this green zone, lose this support, head lower, guys, losing that green zone is most likely going to tell me that this downtrend is going to continue, and we're going to see that 320 region pretty darn soon. So that's about all I got for you guys. Overall, we definitely can be short-term bullish, but again, we do have to assume if we even come up to the 360s that we're going to get rejected. Holding the 360s is a bullish development. It will change the structure. But until that does happen, guys, expect more bearishness to come from the bigger picture. So, guys, that's about all I got for you guys, and I'll see you later. Peace.